Good morning, everyone. So today we will start few problems of GIC. So let's start. This is a problem number 1. A particle of mass m moving with a velocity 1 meter per second collides perfectly elastically with another particle whose mass is 2m and which is at rest. If the incident particle is deflected by 90 degrees, the heavy mass will make an angle with the initial direction of m that will be equals to. So this is a problem we have. Now let's start solving this problem. So they are saying, first let's write what are the things given to us. Okay, so we have given is the object which is moving in a, let's say, this direction, x direction it is moving, whose mass is given as m and it is moving with a velocity of 1 meter per second. Now another mass whose mass is given as 2m and it is at rest. So let's write the momentum in x direction. So we'll have m into 1, and because we don't have any momentum in for the 2m mass, it will be plus, let's write also 2m into 0. So total momentum in x direction we have 0. Now after collision, what is happening? The smaller mass m is moving 90 degree with the initial direction, and this 2m mass is moving by making some angle, let's say theta, along the initial direction. So we need to calculate theta. Is this problem understood, class? Now we will try to understand. So we have initial x direction, we have initial momentum 0. We'll go to the, let's write this, that what would be our final momentum in the x direction. So P initial, we got m into 1 we had. Now we will try to write P final. So final momentum in x direction will be, for smaller mass it is going 90 degrees, so there is no final momentum in the x direction. So only this 2m mass will have some momentum. So let's say 2m mass is going in this direction. This is a 2m mass by making an angle theta. So we'll have, let's say it is moving with the velocity v2. So we can write momentum will be 2m v cos theta. That will be the momentum. We will write better, it will be v2 cos theta. So let's equate these two. Initial momentum and final momentum should be equals to 1. So m will get cancelled and we'll have v2 cos theta is equals to 1 by 2, or if we'll write v2 will be equals to 1 by 2 cos theta, or we will write this will be equals to sec theta by 2. This is the value of v2 we are getting. Is this clear? Now let's try to see the momentum in the y direction. So if we'll go for the momentum in the y direction, so let's quickly have the drawing. We have smaller mass m moving with the velocity, let's say v1, and we have 2m mass moving with the velocity v2, and this is an angle theta. So we'll have momentum in the y direction. Initial momentum was how much? There was no initial momentum p in y direction, so this was 0. Py in the final will be equals to m V1 plus total masses, we have 2m minus V2 into sine theta. Is it clear? The initial momentum and final momentum should be equal. So let's equate these two. 0, this will be equals to 0. So we'll have m1 m into v1 plus 2m minus v2 sine theta. Now m will get cancelled. So we'll have v1 equals to v2 2 times of v2 sine theta. Is it fine? Now we have got the value of v2 from the last page. If you'll see sec theta, we got v2 is equals to sec theta by 2. So let's write. So v1 will be equals to 2 sec theta by 2 into sine theta. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. So this will become equals to tan theta. So V1 we are getting, V1 is equals to tan theta and V2 is equals to 2 sec theta by 2. This is what we are getting. Now we need to calculate the value of theta. So what we will be doing, they have given in the problem, if you remember, that this collision is perfectly elastic. This collision is perfectly elastic collision we have. What do we mean by the word perfectly elastic? It means both momentum and kinetic energy both conserve in this case. So let's try to conserve the kinetic energy. So what was our initial kinetic energy value? Our initial kinetic energy will have half, only mass 1 is having velocity, that is also 1 meter per second. So 1/2 mv1 square, that will be equals to half mv1 square plus half mv2 square. So here we have initial velocity was 1, so I put 1. Now if you look carefully, I can cancel, sorry, this should be 2m. I can cancel all the m from both the side. I can cancel all the half from all the three things. So we'll have 1 equals to v1 square plus 2v2 square. Now we have got the value of v1 and v2. So let's write 1 will be equals to v1 was equals to, look at this, tan theta, and v2 we have sec theta by 2. So let's write. So v1 will be equals to tan theta ka, let's write, this will be tan theta square plus v2 will become 2 times of sec theta by 2 ka whole square. So this will become sec square theta by 4. So this 2 and we'll have a 4 over here. So sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. So let's write this. This will become tan square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta, it will be in bracket, by 2. So if we'll add tan square theta, we'll have, one second class, we'll have 1 will be equals to 3 by 2 tan square theta plus 1 by 2. Now I have to move to the next place. So this will be, we have 1 is equals to 3 by 2 tan square theta plus 1 by 2. If I'll take this 1 by 2 to that side, so this will become 1 by 2 here equals to 3 by 2 tan square theta. 2 cancels, we'll have 1 by 3 is equals to tan square theta. So tan theta will be equals to 1 by root of 3, which means theta is equals to 30 degrees. The correct answer we'll have is 30 degrees. I hope you have understood this. How we have started, let's quickly recap this. So we have gone that we have a 2 mass m and 2m. Initially m is moving with the velocity 1 meter per second and 2m is at rest. After collision, the smaller mass is moving 90 degree and the bigger mass is moving by making an angle theta. We have to calculate that theta. So what we did, we have try to equate the momentum in the x direction, momentum in the y direction, and we got the value of v1, v2, and lastly we conserve the energy, and then we got the value of tan theta is 1 by root 3, and the final answer we have is 30 degree. Let's see whether this answer is given or not. Yes, so the correct answer will be option 1.